Hello people, what's up? I'm Pranati and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, the sun has literally thought of eating and drinking me. Do hell with it, man. But as much as I love my denims, I can't wear them right now, and that's a sad story. But anyways, I recently bought this pants from Police Bazaar in Shillong, and I don't know what they're exactly called, but oh my god, the material is so soft, and I can totally live, breathe and eat in them. And yes, I thought of styling them in three different ways. This is my take on it. You can style them as much as you want. And yes, so without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please comment down below. And also, if you hated it, comment down below. I'd love to read your comments. And also subscribe to my channel, because you'll get notified. No, you'll not get notified. You have to hit the bell button. For that, you will get, after hitting the bell button, you'll get notified every time I upload a video on my channel. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.